Your kidneys are vital organs responsible for filtering blood, removing waste, and balancing fluid and electrolyte levels in your body. They also produce hormones that regulate your blood pressure and red blood cell production. When they aren't functioning correctly, it can lead to various health issues, including kidney stones, infections, and even kidney disease. Therefore, maintaining kidney health is essential for your overall well-being. In this video, we're going to explore 10 foods that can help keep your kidneys function at their best. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Berries. Our first kidney-friendly food is berries. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are nutritional powerhouses that offer several benefits for your kidneys. They are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which have anti-inflammatory properties. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation in your kidneys, protecting them from damage caused by oxidative stress. Additionally, berries are low in potassium, making them an excellent choice for those with kidney issues, as excessive potassium intake can strain the kidneys. Berries can be eaten fresh as a snack. You can also add them to your cereal, oatmeal, or yogurt. Berries can also be blended into smoothies or be used as a topping for pancakes or waffles. Number 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamin K, folate, and fiber. Vitamin K is particularly important for kidney health as it helps prevent calcium buildup in the kidneys, reducing the risk of kidney stones. Additionally, the fiber content in leafy greens aids in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, which is crucial for overall kidney function. Leafy greens can be made as a nutritious salad with mixed greens. You can also add spinach or kale to your morning omelet or scrambled eggs. Sauté greens with garlic and olive oil as a side dish, or blend them into a green smoothie. Number 3. Fish. Fatty fish like salmon and tuna are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, therefore supporting overall kidney health. Omega-3s also promote cardiovascular health, which indirectly benefits the kidneys by maintaining stable blood flow and pressure. Fish can be consumed by grilling or baking salmon fillets with a lemon and herb marinade, making tuna salad with canned tuna, light mayonnaise, and chopped vegetables. You can also prepare a sushi roll with fresh salmon, or serve grilled fish with a side of steamed vegetables. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic is more than just a flavor enhancer. It's a kidney-friendly superfood. It contains allicin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Consuming garlic may also help lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels, reducing the strain on your kidneys and promoting their health. Garlic provides a delicious flavor, and garlic powder is a great substitute for salt in the dialysis diet. It can be used minced in salad dressings, sautéed with onions and vegetables for a flavorful stir-fry, roasted and spread on whole grain bread or added to pasta sauces and soups for extra flavor. Number 5. Apples. Apples are not only delicious, but they are also packed with fiber and antioxidants. The fiber in them helps regulate blood sugar levels and can reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, a condition that can harm your kidneys over time. The antioxidants in apples also play a role in preventing oxidative stress and kidney damage, making them a valuable addition to your diet. The fiber and antioxidants can also benefit the kidney by reducing formation of kidney stones. They can be eaten raw, sliced with peanut or almond butter, made into applesauce, or consumed in the form of apple juice or apple cider. Add chopped apples to your morning cereal or oatmeal. Incorporate apples into salads for a sweet crunch. Bake apple slices with cinnamon and a touch of honey for a healthy dessert. Number 6. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are a fantastic source of vitamins A, C, and B6. Vitamin C in particular acts as an antioxidant, protecting your kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. These vitamins also contribute to a strong immune system, reducing the risk of kidney infections and maintaining overall kidney health. Red bell peppers are also one of the best vegetable sources of vitamin A, which is vital for kidney health because it helps regulate kidney function and maintain the integrity of the urinary tract lining. Red bell peppers are relatively low in potassium compared to some other vegetables. For individuals with kidney issues, Managing potassium intake is crucial, as high levels of potassium can strain the kidneys. The vitamins and antioxidants in red bell peppers may contribute to better blood pressure regulation, as high blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney disease. Maintaining healthy blood pressure levels reduces the risk of kidney damage and supports overall kidney health. Slice red bell peppers and dip them in hummus. You can also roast red bell peppers and use them in pasta dishes or salads, or stuff them with a mixture of lean protein and quinoa. Number 7. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is an excellent option for those with kidney issues because it's low in potassium and phosphorus. This makes it a kidney-friendly choice, as high levels of these minerals can burden the kidneys. Additionally, cauliflower is rich in fiber and vitamin C, promoting healthy digestion and immune function, which indirectly supports kidney health. Cauliflower can be steamed and mashed as a healthier alternative to mashed potatoes or blended into a creamy soup with low-sodium broth. You can also roast cauliflower florets with olive oil and your favorite spices. Number 8. Onions. Onions are packed flavonoids, particularly quercetin, which have potent antioxidant properties. These antioxidants help protect your kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation, reducing the risk of kidney damage. Onions have mild diuretic properties, meaning they can increase urine production. This diuretic effect can be beneficial for kidney health in several ways. First, it helps flush out excess sodium and water from the body, which can reduce fluid retention and ease the workload on the kidneys. Second, it aids in the elimination of waste products and toxins from the body, preventing their accumulation in the kidneys. Onions can be used in sandwiches or burgers, caramelized for a sweet and savory topping. You can also add diced onions to salads, salsas, or guacamole, or sauté them as a base for many dishes, such as soups and stir-fries. Number 9. Cranberries. Cranberries are well known for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can lead to kidney infections if left untreated. The compounds in cranberries, called proanthocyanidins, prevent bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract lining, reducing the risk of UTIs and subsequently protecting your kidneys from harm. Dried cranberries can be added to salads, trail mix, or eaten as a snack. They can also be blended into a smoothie with other fruits and yogurt. You can also make homemade cranberry sauce with fresh cranberries for a side dish, or drink unsweetened cranberry juice as a refreshing beverage. Number 10. Olive oil. Olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, is rich in heart-healthy, monounsaturated fats. These fats have anti-inflammatory properties that benefit not only your heart, but also your kidneys. By reducing inflammation, olive oil helps protect your kidneys from damage. Additionally, it's a healthier alternative to saturated fats found in many processed foods, promoting overall kidney health. Olive oil can be drizzled over salads as a dressing. It can also be used for sautéing vegetables or cooking fish, or mixed with herbs and spices for a flavorful marinade. So there you have it, 10 fantastic foods to keep your kidney function healthy. Remember, a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and regular exercise also play vital roles in maintaining kidney health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness videos. Take care of your kidneys, and they'll take care of you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.